Stop the panic. Stop it. Hi. Make a table of values giving y to be 2x squared plus 3x, then minus 8, where minus 4 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 2. What does this mean? This simply means that the values of x range from minus 4 to 2. All right, so don't panic when you see this kind of a thing. It's easy. All right, let's get out the values of x. So you can see that the range of values of x is from minus 4 to 2. So let's now go ahead to find the values of y using this equation here. So for the first one, all you need to do is to keep on substituting these values of x anywhere we see x here. So this will have 2x squared plus 3x minus 8. For the first value of y, we'll have 2 brackets minus 4 all squared plus 3 brackets minus 4 then minus 8, and that gives minus 4 squared will give us 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So we'll have 32 here plus 3 times minus 4 will give us minus 12, and then minus 8. 32 minus 12 will give us 20, and 20 minus 8 is 12. So we'll have the value of y here to be 12. We'll fill it in. Then for the second one, when x is minus 3, we'll have 2 brackets minus 3 all squared plus 3 brackets minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 3 squared. Remember, we'll always treat the one in brackets. Minus 3 squared will give us 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Then plus 3 times minus 3 will give us minus 9 and minus 8. 18 minus 9 is 9, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So the value of x here, the value of y here is 1. We'll have this again when the value is minus 2. We'll have 2 brackets minus 2 all squared plus 3 brackets minus 2 and minus 8. And this gives us minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, and then minus 8. You can see that 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So the value here is minus 6. And here we are having minus 6. The next is when x is minus 1. We are having 2 brackets minus 1 squared plus 3 brackets minus 1, then minus 8. Minus 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3, and then minus 8. 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1, and minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9. So we'll have this as minus 9. And when x is 0, when x is 0, we'll have y is equal to 2 brackets 0 all squared plus 3 brackets 0 and then minus 8. Already, since we're having 0, 0 here, this will give us 0. But let's continue. 0 squared is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Plus 3 times 0 is 0, and then minus 8. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 minus 8 will give us minus 8. So let's wipe here so we can continue. So the value of y here is minus 8. And let's go ahead with 1, 2 bracket 1 squared minus plus 3 brackets 1 and minus 8. 1 squared is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, plus 3 times 1, 3, and then minus 8. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 8 is minus 3. And we have the value here to be minus 3. And then lastly, when x is 2, so we have 2 squared plus 3 bracket 2 and minus 8. 2 times 2 squared is 4, and then 4 times 2 gives 8. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is already 0, and then 0 plus 6, that gives us 6. And we'll have the value here to be 6. I believe that you've learned how to create table of values by yourself using this on the board. Stop that panic. It is simple. Hi. If I leave you now, you forget to share. Go ahead and share so that your friend will also learn. Go now. Bye-bye.